Um, My name is Ken Kumaberry, and I welcome you to week 2 assignment. Uh, so, um, first I will check on the rubric, see if uh, so it's the criteria says that I have to show the API documentation and functionality. So at the same time, deployment and database and security and architecture. So architecture, they want a proper MVC architecture that is followed where the routes and database access are defined in a separate folder and files. So and for security, we have sensitive information such as the Mongo database credentials are stored in the .env file, and the .env file are configuration information such as the node modules folder and no not present at GitHub. Okay. Database contains collection in Mongo database contain at least 5 records of each of the fields: name, email, color, yes, and so far the deployment part, my work was deployed successfully and it is working on render. So these are my files. So here, all these are JSON files. So Swagger JSON files. So I open each one. So I try out this. So no parameter. It. So it was a post. So for post, I have this. So I say try out. So here I can write in my contacts. Uh, so with time, I'll not write anything here to add my those people, but they are there. I'll just take you. This ID should have 24 characters to be valid for Mongo database to recognize it. So I can add something here, but so you can add something. That's good. Yeah, with time. So let me just do this. That's going to take time and it won't. So, so for this, it is okay. It works properly. I tested it myself. And I have also the get by ID. This one, just search by ID and the person information will be displayed. The emails, the favorite car, and the birthday. So you can get someone by ID and the error. errors are also good. So if I make a mistake, it will bring me what I've not found or and everything like that. So the same thing that come to food. So if I want to put something I can use ID and other stuff. So these are the error codes, and so all these functions are working very well. I tested them locally before I submitted I work to Ella. So another thing was uh, the deployment. Also have seen that the database, the contacts, the correction in longer database, contains that is paid because that each um, the have the fields. And yeah, this one is okay. The database is there was they might not be displaying here, but they're there. I added them. It's different people. So the environment is not favorable for me, so forgive me for going through this assignment very fast. So also the security, this one I have it security wise. All my stuff, the URL and the connection string are all in this folder. They dot AV5. So the client ID what? All of them are I the what? The dot AV ID. So apart from that, we have the architecture. So says that I must use the proper file folders and names, servers, files, connection, and endpoints. So from this, my work was organized very well. So as you see, you have the controllers folder, and which files, the database, uh, the root, the every file folder, and the JSON file and the JS file are all in the right order. So my MVC is good, and maybe if you spotted mistake or where I've gone wrong, you can advise me to fix and guide me through how I can improve. But willing to improve. So far, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time when I have my next assignment.